Did you know that roughly 1 in 10 tech jobs already demand AI skills? Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal the AI tools that could boost your career in 2026. In today's rapidly evolving workplace, companies are already expecting even junior employees to know how to use artificial intelligence. In 2026, AI won't be optional, it will be a core skill. Luckily, you can prepare now by mastering a handful of powerful tools. Let's start with the all-purpose assistants. ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini are conversational AIs that can write, translate, brainstorm, and analyze data. ChatGPT now offers data analysis, image understanding, and plugins for browsing and spreadsheets. Claude excels at handling huge documents or code bases and synthesizing information from multiple sources. Gemini is multimodal. You can insert images or charts into your prompt, and it integrates deeply with Google Docs, Gmail, and Sheets for real-time drafting and research. Think of them as your digital co-authors, research partners, and personal tutors. For developers, GitHub Copilot serves as an AI pair programmer. Trained on billions of lines of public code, it suggests entire functions, writes tests, translates pseudocode into actual code, and flags potential bugs right inside your IDE. Copilot supports multiple languages and frameworks and learns from the context of your project. Similar tools like Tab9 and Replit Ghostwriter can adapt to your team's code style, making AI assistants accessible wherever you code. Designers and marketers are not left behind. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E generate high-quality visuals from simple text prompts. Midjourney is known for its artistic detail and allows you to control style, lighting, and material. It runs via Discord so teams can collaborate on prompts. DALL-E is integrated into ChatGPT, supports in-image editing, and is great for concept art, product mockups, and social media graphics. Google's new Nano Banana Pro, built on the Gemini 3 Pro image model, takes these capabilities further. It can visualize prototypes, infographics, and diagrams with context-rich visuals and accurate educational explainers, drawing on real-time information and world knowledge. Its enhanced multilingual reasoning renders legible text directly in multiple languages, and it offers creative controls for blending multiple images and adjusting camera angles or lighting. For video, Synthesia uses lifelike avatars to read your script in over 60 languages. You pick an avatar, choose a background, and synthesize a polished video, perfect for training modules, tutorials, or marketing. Productivity apps are also getting a major AI upgrade. Microsoft 365 Copilot is now embedded in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. It drafts and rewrites documents, analyzes spreadsheets, builds slide decks from bullet points, and even summarizes meeting transcripts or chat threads. Notion AI offers similar assistance in your notes and wikis. It can summarize pages, brainstorm ideas, transform the tone of text, and generate action items without leaving your workspace. When you learn how to prompt these tools, they become true partners, automating tasks that used to take hours. Marketers and researchers should explore Jasper and Perplexity AI. Jasper specializes in marketing copy. It offers dozens of templates for blog posts, ads, social captions, and emails, aligns with your brand voice, and includes built-in plagiarism and SEO assistance. Perplexity is an AI-powered answer engine that combines search and chat. It answers your questions with concise summaries and citations, compares information across multiple sources, and remembers your context, making it invaluable for competitive analysis, research, and brainstorming. Learning these tools isn't just about saving time, it's about future-proofing your career. Employers are investing in AI-augmented workflows, and employees who use AI effectively often accomplish more in less time. The good news, you can start building these skills today. On Coursera, you'll find curated resources from guided projects to professional certificates that teach you how to use and understand these technologies. We'll include specific course recommendations in the video description, and with Coursera Plus, you get unlimited access to all of them and thousands more across business, technology, and creative fields. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. By mastering the top AI tools for 2026, you'll unlock new levels of productivity and creativity and make yourself invaluable in the job market. All that's left is to take the first step. Ready to future-proof your skills? Click the links in the description to explore Coursera's AI learning paths and start your journey today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career-boosting insights.